everybody. So the engine idles perfectly. So next on the car we need to fix the suspension because it doesn't lift up. So let's get to the work.
What do you think the problem is?
Maybe the fault code shows that is this problem. I really don't know because we don't have a licensed Porsche diagnostic, or so it only shows that when you try to lift it up, lift the car, calibrate or do something like that, it's just starting to show overheating. So of course the car is old. This is the problem. We're just gonna try to change it and we will learn in the process because we are young, so we just learning everything in the process. So that's...
Show me the new part.
So this is the new part?
Yeah, we were waiting this for a whole week to get it.
So, air compression installation and operation. So I know that on some Porsche that you have to fill the system with nitrogen gas. So we made some adapter.
I will show you later.
When we change this part, and I think it's gonna be good. Looks the same. Kinda looks the same.
Yeah, it should be the same.
So let's start the job. Let's compare it. The one
Looks the same. Everything looks the same.
Everything looks the same. So we will try to put this one. We will try to calibrate the suspension and hope our best that there was a problem with this. Okay, so the new part is on. Now we will try to fill the system with nitrogen gas and to try to calibrate all the system. So okay, this shit is on. Filled with nitro.
Just holding with a special tool.
So, I know that you have to put it on the 1870 bar mark, so now do the diagnostic. The whole system is filling up.
Yes, something went wrong. The connection popped off. Plug it again.
I think now it's gonna fall. I really hope so.
Why is it doing that?
To the old one, so I will take. Let's look now.
Is it gonna pop off?
I don't think so.
Lower the car.
Maybe let's wait for a moment. Yeah, I think it's good. Second round. Just reconnect this part and that's it. This should be compressor. Not like this. All
Yeah, okay.
a lot stronger. A lot stronger.
Yeah, we didn't show you how the old compressor was working. It was like no sound at all. Successfully. Next.
Next?
Redefault code. Maybe we need to calibrate the heights, so... Okay, wait a minute, let me step inside. I see that it's lifted up. It still shows the chassis system problem, but...
So after replacing the air suspension pump and refilling all the system with nitrogen gas like the manufacturer recommended, the next step is to calibrate the suspension, and it took us 4 hours, but now it works perfectly. Okay, the one is lifting up. I think now it's in normal condition.
Yeah, because it doesn't glow red anymore. High level deactivated.
As you can see, everything works perfectly. All the stages, even we tried Sport Plus, the car goes really low. And of course we try to put it in the max height, so of course it goes to the max, so everything works like it should work on this car. And of course in this video we're gonna show you that we changed the brake pads and the brake discs, because the car stayed in one place a long time, so they all rusted away.
Show me the sides. Okay, on the left is old, on the right is new, so lots of new meat to go on.
So, if you want to regulate the handbrake adjuster, you have to have the long screw. There is a visual, and you just like and this side is done. Just like that.
Yeah, they look rough. Very rough. The new ones shine.
And that's it.